Welcome to the Sindh University campus, Ladkanu, Department of the Computer Science. Assalamu alaikum. This is Shazia Amir Maksi, lecturer at Department of the Computer Science in Sindh University campus, Ladkanu. Today we learn about computer networks. Lecture 1 and week 10. Topic is switching. Outlines are there. Switch, what is switching, taxonomy of switching, features, example, circuit and where's packet switching. What is first of all, what is switching? Switch is intermediary hardware or software that links between together temporarily. What is switching? Switching is a method in which communication between devices are connected to one another efficiently. Taxonomy of switched network. Here we classified switched network into circuit switching, packet switching and message switching. Further, packet switching is divided into datagrams and virtual circuit networks. What is circuit switching? Circuit switching is a type of switching technique in which direct physical connection between two devices are created by some space division switches, time division switches and others. In circuit switching, resources are reserved all the times. What is packet switching? Packet switching is a type of switching techniques in which data are allocated in the form of packets and resources are allocated on a demand. And what is packet switching? Message switching. In message switching, a type of switching technique in which data are transferred in the form of complete messages. Here is switched network, example of figure of switched network, that we have our devices A, B, C, D, E, J, I, H, G and F, and it is connected with 5 switches. A is connected with B and J. Further, it is connected with switch 2 and 5, and C is connected with switch 2, D is connected with switch 3, E is connected with switch 4, F is connected with switch 4, G is connected also with switch 4, 5, H and I is connected with switch 5 and J is connected with switch 1. Here we have example as trivial example. Let us use of circuit switching network to connect 8 telephones in a small area. Communication is through 4 kHz voice channel. We assume that each link uses frequency division multiplexing to connect the maximum of 2 voice channels. The bandwidth of each link is then 8 kHz. Figure 8.4 shows the situation. Telephone 1 is connected to the telephone 7 and 2 is connected to the 5, 3 is to 7, 3 is to 8 and 4 to 6. Of course, the situation may be changed when a new connection are made. Means if we are going to connect more than 8 connection, then we must be drop the one connection from the 8. So here we have a figure that 1 is connected with 5, 2 is connected with 1 is connected with 7 and 2 is connected with 5 and 3 is connected with 8 and 4 is connected with 6. We have some features. Of packet switching and circuit switching. As we know that circuit switching has resources are allocated all the times and are reserved, but packet switching resources are allocated on the demand. So packet switching is most efficient and has less delay because it uses full duplex mode to send the data. But in circuit switching, less efficient and more delay because resources all the time are reserved. Summary. Today we discuss about what is switching. Switching is a technique. We discussed that switching is a technique in which we connect the device over a large network, and there are 3 methods: circuit switching, packet switching and message switching. We gave the suitable example of circuit switching is telephone line, landline, and packet switching example is we have internet and other smart devices such as mobile devices, smartphones and other devices which can directly interact via with internet. Thank you very much. If you have any query, you can contact me through my email, and you can also use a book as a reference, which is Data Communication and Networking by Barrows Frozen, 7th edition. Thank you.